Welcome to another informative video. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now for more exciting content. Today we're diving into a world that's full of potential and possibilities. A world where you can start generating income right from the comfort of your home. That's right, we're talking about making your first dollar online as a complete beginner. Now, you've probably heard about the concept of passive income and how it can significantly transform your financial situation. And while the idea of earning money while you sleep might sound too good to be true, I assure you it's not only possible, but it's also doable, even if you're just starting out. The journey towards earning passive income online might seem daunting at first, but remember, every journey begins with a single step, and the first step is often the hardest. But once you take it, you'll be on your way to financial independence. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how to start your journey towards earning passive income online. First things first, selling on marketplaces is a great way to start your online income journey. You may wonder why, so let's dive into it. Marketplaces are like bustling online malls, filled with potential customers who are already there, browsing and ready to buy. You don't have to worry about attracting traffic to your store because these platforms have done the hard work for you. Now imagine you're a complete beginner like our friend Ola. Ola didn't have previous experience or a big budget to invest. But guess what? Ola made her first dollar online by selling on an established marketplace. And you can do it too. Selling on these platforms allows you to leverage their built-in customer base. You're not just setting up a random stall in the middle of nowhere, hoping someone will stumble upon your products. No, you're setting up shop in a busy market where people are actively looking for things to buy. This aspect significantly increases your chances of making that first sale. Furthermore, most of these marketplaces have user-friendly interfaces and provide tools to help you manage your store efficiently. They handle the nitty-gritty of transactions, customer service, and even returns, leaving you to focus on what matters most, your products and your customers. Let's take Teachers Pay Teachers as an example. It's a marketplace where educators sell educational materials. Ola started there, creating AI-assisted digital products, and voila, they made her first dollar online. But remember, it's not just about choosing the right marketplace. It's also about understanding what sells on that platform, what the customers want, and how you can provide it. That's where keyword research and product creation come into play. But we'll get into that in the next scene. Marketplaces provide a solid foundation for beginners to start earning online. They give you a ready-made platform, a built-in customer base, and a plethora of tools to help you succeed. It's like being handed a golden ticket to the world of online income. So, why not grab that ticket and start your journey? Keyword research and product creation are two key aspects of selling online. At first glance, these terms might seem like jargon, but don't let that scare you off. They're actually quite simple, and more importantly, they're the foundation of a successful online business. Let's start with keyword research. This is nothing more than understanding what potential customers are searching for online. It's about finding the sweet spot where a search term is popular enough to guarantee a substantial number of potential customers, but not so popular that there's too much competition. It's like finding a gold mine in the digital world. Now, this might sound like a daunting task, but luckily, there are tools that can help. For instance, ChatGPT can be used to generate a list of potential keywords based on what people are talking about online. It's like having a digital detective at your disposal, tirelessly sifting through the vastness of the internet to find those golden keywords. Once you have your keywords, it's time for product creation. This is where you take the needs and wants that your keyword research has uncovered and turn them into a tangible product. In other words, you're creating the solution to a problem that you know people have. Product creation is about more than just making something. It's about making something that people want and need. It's about understanding your customers so well that you can create a product that fits them like a glove. Again, tools like Leonardo AI can be of immense help here. This tool can generate high-quality images, for instance, to make your product more appealing. In short, keyword research helps you find a profitable niche, while product creation helps you fill it. And with the aid of AI-assisted tools like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI, these tasks become not only manageable, but even enjoyable. With the right tools and strategies, keyword research and product creation can be a breeze. Let's delve into the world of AI-assisted tools that can make your online selling journey easier. In this digital age, technology has been making strides in every sphere, including online selling. One such advancement comes in the form of AI-assisted tools that can help you create digital products of high quality. Tools like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI are prime examples of this. ChatGPT is a language model that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It can be your virtual assistant in producing engaging and creative content for your digital products. Whether it's crafting an enticing product description or generating innovative ideas for your next product, ChatGPT has got you covered. On the other hand, Leonardo AI is a revolutionary tool that can create high-quality images. It's like having your personal graphic designer available round the clock. You just need to feed it some prompts, and it will generate images that are bound to captivate your potential customers. But that's not all. The Leonardo Prompt Bundle can be your secret weapon in this journey. This bundle provides you with thoughtfully curated prompts that can be used with Leonardo AI to generate stunning images. It's like having a treasure trove of ideas waiting to be explored and transformed into mesmerizing visuals. These AI-assisted tools not only save you time, but also level the playing field. You don't need to be an expert in content creation or graphic design. With these tools, you can compete with seasoned sellers and still have a fair shot at success. Remember, the quality of your digital products plays a crucial role in attracting and retaining customers. It's the difference between making your first dollar or not. And these AI-assisted tools are here to ensure you hit the mark. AI-assisted tools are your best friends in the journey towards making your first dollar online. It's time to take action and start your journey towards earning passive income online. Folks, there's never going to be a perfect moment when all the stars align and conditions are just right for you to start your online venture. The truth is, the best time is now. It's all about seizing the day and making the most of what you have. Think back to the story of Ola, one of our YouTube channel subscribers, who made her first dollar online. She didn't wait for the perfect opportunity. Instead, she took our early advice in one of our videos, used the tools at her disposal, and started creating digital products. She started small, but look where she is now. Ola's story is a testament to the power of taking action. Now you might be thinking, but I'm a complete beginner. How can I compete with people who have been doing this for years? Well, the beauty of the online world is that it levels the playing field. With the right tools and strategies, even a complete beginner can make their first dollar online. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It's okay to start small. In fact, starting small is often the best way to go. You don't have to create the perfect product right away. Instead, focus on learning, improving, and being consistent. Over time, you'll get better, and your earnings will grow. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are communities and resources out there that can help you. People like us are sharing their knowledge and experiences to help beginners like you succeed. So don't wait. Start your journey today. Take that first step. Create your account on a marketplace. Do your keyword research. Start creating your digital product. Take action. Remember, the first step is often the hardest, but once you make your first dollar online, there's no turning back. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it useful. We've covered a lot of ground, from selling on marketplaces to the importance of keyword research and product creation. We've also touched on how AI-assisted tools can be a game changer for beginners looking to make their first dollar online. But remember, all these insights and tools are just stepping stones. The real magic happens when you take that first step, when you decide to start your journey towards earning passive income online. No matter how daunting it may seem, remember the story of Ola, who made her first dollar online. It's achievable, it's real, and it's waiting for you. So start today. Take that leap of faith and embark on this exciting journey of discovery and financial independence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Like this video and leave a comment saying, "I have subscribed to the channel." We look forward to seeing you in our next video, and we love you all.